Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to AscendEX. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open up the Trust Wallet app and then go over to Wallet in the bottom left. You'll then see a screen looking similar to this one, and over on this page you need to click on Send. You'll then see this pop up, and here you will see all the tokens you have available to transfer. So for me that's only Algorand. Once you have decided which coin you want to transfer, click on it. You'll then see this menu, and you will also see that the first thing you need to fill in is the address you want to transfer to. So to find this address you need to go over to your computer and then go over to AscendEX. Once you're on AscendEX, go over to the top right and click on Wallet. Here you need to click on Cash Account. Over on this page you'll see all the tokens you're holding. So if you're holding your token already, you can just go over to the right and click on the deposit button. But if you're not holding your token already, you can go over to the search bar and search for the token you would like to deposit. So I'll search for Algo and click on the deposit button. You'll then be sent over to the deposit page, and here you will see your deposit address. So now you can go over to the QR code icon, and then the next thing you need to do is to go back over to Trust Wallet and click on the icon to the right of Paste. What you need to do now is to make sure that the QR code is visible on your computer screen, and then you will want to scan it with your phone. Once you have filled in your transfer address, the last thing you need to do is to fill in the amount of coins you would like to transfer. You can fill in this amount manually, or you can click on the max button to send all of your available holdings. Once you have filled in the amount of coins you would like to transfer, you'll then need to click on Next. You'll then get this confirm screen. Please make sure to double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes, and then click on Send.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.